Hi, I'm Cameron Bonsey. I'm the Vice President of Marketing with Coast of Maine Organic Products. And behind the camera is Farmer Steph. And
Hi.
I'm in her greenhouse. Yes, Steph, thank you for being here. And most of our videos are shot here. But today I want to talk to you a little bit about Teacher and Staff Appreciation Week, which is May 3rd through the 7th. We do a growing good program, and we donate soil to school gardens through local retailers. And we've had many this year. It's been amazing. So what I'm asking for, I would like to interview a few teachers who are involved in the school garden programs that we've given soil to. Really easy. I would do it on Zoom. Just want to know what drives you, why you love being a teacher, why you love to garden. My mom was a teacher. My sister is a teacher. My daughter studied to be a teacher. My grandmother was a teacher. So I think teachers are amazing and important. And Steph behind the camera is a teacher too. So reach out to me. I'll give you all the information you need. It'll be in this newsletter. Please follow up. I'd love to interview you.